Greetings everybody and welcome back. It is three-wheeler time again. I know I've been putting this guy off, getting this finished. I still need to work on getting my balloon tires foam filled so I can get this guy finished up for a car show I've got coming up here shortly, or a motorcycle show I guess I should say. But work called. I had to go to Albany, New York last week, so I've been behind on my building lately. So I apologize for that, but more build videos are coming very soon. Yeah, it was kind of funny when I was in Albany. As soon as I pulled into town, I decided to drive around downtown, and all of a sudden I hear the smell of a two-stroke in the air, and all of a sudden these guys come flying by doing wheelies downtown on a bunch of quads and a bunch of dirt bikes. So I kind of followed those guys around and chit-chatted with you. And if anybody from Albany was there and I talked to you and you subscribed, welcome. It's cool hanging out with you guys. Beyond that, yeah, I think one of the lakes north of Albany, what is it? The Saratoga. I drove around the whole area and I might have dropped about 200 business cards around at all the Stewart's gas stations in the area. So if you want a souvenir and you're in the Lake Saratoga, Albany area, drive around, pick up a card. Anyway, let's get back to the game. I picked up two clean, one owner K0 Honda US90 three-wheelers. Now these guys are beauties, almost all complete. This one here, the serial number starts with US90 125, so I'm not 100% sure, but I think that would make this a 71, or one that was sold in 71, since it was 12. Not 100% sure. I don't know if Preston, if you're watching, or anybody else who knows more about these early ones, let me know. One that starts with a US90 125, that's a 71. Let me know if I'm right or wrong. I'd appreciate it. Now this guy over here, this one is, I'm pretty sure this is a 1970 because the serial number starts with US90-102. That's 102. So that's an even lower serial number than my green one that I've been working on. So I think someday, after I get this sandblasted and derustified, I might repaint this thing, disassemble this whole thing, and put this frame in my nice bike. So, not sure if I want to go that far, but heck, I can probably pull this thing apart in the morning and put it back together in the afternoon. No problem. We'll see. Ooh, it's starting to rain. I better get the nice one inside here before it gets wet. These guys, doesn't matter. Now I didn't get a great deal on these, but I didn't pay a lot either. So I think I'm fairly happy. There's a lot of parts on here. I got some video ideas coming up. I'm going to take this locked up, rusted up axle, and I'm going to sandblast it, buff it back, or polish it again, and then take it to my zinc plating place and have them put brand new yellow zinc on all this, and make a video of that in the near future. So it can take something that looks like complete crap and make a thing of beauty out of it for just a few bucks. This is a big score. The original throttle is all there, and I actually need this for my green one because I had the top, the correct top, but I kind of had to make a homemade lower part of the throttle. So I'm going to put this on the green bike. And in the meantime, I know I've been teasing it, saying I was going to make a nickel plating video. I'm going to take this and make it look brand new again and show you how to do that in the near future. So be sure to subscribe if you want to check that out. Actually, I'll go show you what the one on the green one looks like. This right here used to actually look worse than the one out on the other bike. It was really, really rusty, but I sanded all the rust pits out, buffed it to a mirror shine, and nickel plated it. In certain lighting, you can see it's a little bit yellower than the chrome, but for what it is, and for how easy it is to do, it turned out beautiful. So yeah, I'll have a detailed video of how I fix up rusted out chrome throttles in the near future. What else do we have for parts here? Yeah, the rear axle, rear carrier, that's all worth something. Chain tensioner, that's all seized up. This fork, this is off This headlight mount, I would guess this is off of early 80s 110, so that's not right. Let's see, this guy over here. Nope, this is the original one. Oh, this is nice too. They have the optional headlight mounting brackets on here. Actually, these are all nice and rusty. In my nickel plating video, I will take these and sand these guys down and make them look brand new again. So that'll be cool. And do it alongside of that. This, yeah, it's not terrible, but it's not great. Handlebars are pretty crappy. Yeah, I don't even think I can steel wool some of this stuff out. So those will probably stay in the parts pile. Let's see if I lucked out and got a correct engine in one of these guys. Let's lift this thing up. Oh, right in the shin. That felt great. So, what do we got here? No, what does that say? Oh no, it says ATC90. So this is, what number is that? ATC90 14. So I'm assuming this is off of a 1975 engine. Dang, I thought I lucked out there. Well, maybe on the other one. And, that's not right. Oh, I can tell right now this is not the right. This is a 110, I think. Yep, 105cc there. So dang, 042. I have a 1975 90cc engine and an ATC 110 engine. Well, poop. Oh well. Yeah, at least I got some more parts. Need to rebuild these someday. For sure that 110, maybe that 90. Doesn't have the original foot pegs. These are off of a 110. Probably came with that motor. Those are off of a later 70s ATC 90. Probably came with that engine. So dang. Got a later throttle there. If I replate that, that'll look nice. Pull bar. That's junk. Dang. Well, let's get the pressure washer out, clean these things up, and see what we got. Ooh, it's raining out. Let's see if the pressure washing did any good here. Nope, still crap. But these one day are going to be some beautiful machines, I think. I haven't decided yet. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a box, big plywood box that I can set the frame in. I'm going to strip the paint off, and then this big box that I make, I'm going to line it with a tarp, and I'm going to buy like about 10 gallons of evaporust or PB Blaster's version of evaporust and soak the entire tank in that to get any of the surface rust off of the inside, and then I'll epoxy primer and do a single stage urethane paint on it. Maybe just get the frames done, just let them hang on the wall until I maybe someday come across another set of balloon tires and maybe build them at that point. But until then, yeah, we'll make those nickel plating videos, making those look nice, the throttle video, the yellow zinc video for that in the future. So yeah, got a few good video ideas and projects coming along. But oh yeah, one more. So my thoughts on this guy, since I've got a really nice rear fender and front fender, I was thinking about building a box that this fits in, and maybe put the fender in a garbage bag and fill the box up with spray foam and make a negative mold of this guy, and then I can make my own fenders. Just lay down about 7 or 8 sheets of fiberglass mat, do some body work. I should be able to make my own rear and front fenders out of fiberglass. Sounds like a cool idea. Again, I'm sorry for not having any build videos lately, but we have got a lot of cool videos planned for these guys in the near future. So in the meantime, I guess, if you want to check out another one of my cool builds, you can click the video on the right, or if you want to check out last week's video, you can click the video on the left, and I will see you next time.